LeBron. Okay.
Yeah.
You see, LeBron James is a really good basketball player, but when they nominate him for award shows and he's on them, he never even shows up.
Like which award show did he not show up for?
Like both of them. Like in the BET Awards and in the Hall of Fame Awards, he never shows up every single year. I think he probably might not show up for next year's.
So, do you think they should keep nominating him if he's not going to show up to the awards?
That would be crazy. They should stop nominating him.
Yeah, because he doesn't show up.
Yeah, but in the Hall of Fame Awards, they just mail his trophy to him, so...
So, if he sees this video, what would you like for him to know?
Like, maybe he should try this showing up. Like, unless he's busy or something.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
Nah, that's pretty much it.